Hello everyone. Today I want to give some presentation about the research from Miss Buhamra and his colleague at 2022. The research was titled NLP Tool for Data Extraction from Electronic Health Record, COVID-19 Mortalities and Comorbidities. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Albert Christiani Bowo. I'm from Sugio Pranoto Catholic University. With my student ID is 2022 K10008. Before I start the presentation, let me give some brief explanation about how my presentation go. My presentation will be start with the background, aims and major question from the research, methodology, result, conclusion, and lastly the comment. To start off, let me give you some brief explanation about the background. The high infection rates, severe symptoms, and evolving aspect of the COVID-19 pandemic provide challenge for a variety of medical systems around the world. Ms. Buhamra and his colleagues using NLP to automate information retrieval from unstructured text. And the primary approach in this field is to address the COVID-19 mortality data from the intensive care unit in Kuwait during the first 18 months of the pandemic. A key goal is to extract and classify the primary and intermediate cause of death from electronic health records in a timely way. In addition, comorbid condition or concurrent disease were retrieved and analyzed in relation to a variety of causes of mortality. Now let's move on to the aims and major question from the research. Aims of this research is the first one to develop an NLP system that extract and classify primary and intermediate cause of death, as well as comorbidities from messy COVID-19 ICU mortality HRD. The second one is to create a model for analyzing associations between comorbidities and cause of death. The third one and the last one is to build predictive model identifying major intermediate cause of death because of the pandemic COVID-19. Now let's go to the methodology. This research will be used 1,691 ICU COVID-19 mortality records from Jebel Hospital in Kuwait. The data was collected between March 2022 until August 2020. In the pre-processing stage, the data was converted from PDF to Excel, anonymized and cleaned. Misspelling and misplaced entries were corrected using domain expert input. The data anonymized to make sure the patient the patient data will not given to the public or public cannot access the patient data. Let's move on to the NLP technique. NLP technique using bag of words model to tokenize and extract cause of death and comorbidities using Python script incorporating glossary of synonyms and misspelling. The bag of word is used for tokenize or break down a sentence into a word and extract cause of death and comorbidities. Let's move on to the classification. The cause of death category is primary, intermediate, or underlying using machine learning algorithm, decision tree quest algorithm to predict intermediate COD and other causes. And the research was using the statistical analysis platform R and SPSS for G-square test, ANOVA, and TURF. G-square test for testing the relationship between variable. The ANOVA is for test the difference means between the group, and the TURF is for analyzing disease combination from the AHR data. The result of this research was the demographic, the majority male with the mean age of 63.8 years, with the ICU stays about 18 and a half days, with the comorbidities, hypertension, diabetes were most common, with the median of 2 until 3 comorbidities per patient. The primary cause of death is because the septic shock, respiratory failure, and the cardiac arrest. With the intermediate cause is the acute respiratory distress syndrome, and the arrhythmia was the strongest predictor of intermediate cause of being other than acute respiratory distress syndrome. This data was identified using decision tree algorithm. In conclusion, the study successfully created an NLP tool to extract structured mortality and comorbidity data from unstructured electronic health records, addressing real-world data noise challenge. This approach enables faster and scalable extraction of critical mortality data during pandemics, improve understanding of dominant death pathways in COVID-19 ICU patients, further integration of NLP tools into EHR systems for automated and standardized reporting. In conclusion, for the larger field, this work highlights the importance of domain-adapted NLP pipeline for healthcare data, extending beyond general purpose tools to handle local errors, terminologies, and inconsistencies. For the comment, the large datasets covering 70% of quiet COVID-19 deaths, the collaboration with Clinicain for domain-specific data cleaning, and the comprehensive methodology combining NLP, statistical analysis, and ML is the strength and power of this research. With the limitation of the single-site data, because they were only using Jaipur hospital data, that may limit generalizability, and the electronic health records were incomplete due to patient transfer. The absence of documentation does not equate to absence of the condition. And lastly, the result dependent on accuracy of glossary mapping and clinician validation. Overall comment is the methods are valid and results are credible given the data constraint, providing an impactful framework for similar public health data extraction. Well, this brings us to the end of my presentation for today. In summary, this study demonstrates NLP support for healthcare and extracting data from electronic health record in quiet hospital. If you have any question, feel free to ask and I will be very happy to answer it. I hope you guys having a great day. Thank you all for your attention. I am Albert Christian taking my leave for now. Goodbye in our next session. Thank you.